Hello friends, welcome to the session. In this session, we'll be discussing about one of the basic laws that is being used in electronics, and this law is being called as the Ohm's law. So in this session, we will see what is Ohm's law and how it is possible to obtain a relationship between current voltage and resistance by using the Ohm's law. So you are viewing this session on my YouTube channel and you can subscribe to the channel, and we are recording this session by making the use of the iPad. So let us start the session with the question what we mean by Ohm's law. Now suppose we have been given a circuit, and suppose this circuit is being applied a voltage V, and suppose the resistance of the circuit is R, and suppose the current flowing through this circuit is I. Then Ohm's law states that there is a definite relationship between the voltage, current and resistance. So according to the Ohm's law, the current I flowing in the circuit, the current I flowing in the circuit is given by the formula I is equal to V upon R. So V is the voltage applied to the circuit and R is the resistance of the circuit. So according to the Ohm's law, whenever we want to determine the value of the current flowing in the circuit, then it can be determined by making the use of this formula I is equal to V upon R. Or in other words, we can say that the voltage applied to the circuit V is just nothing but I multiplied by R. So this is another form of the Ohm's law. So if you have been provided with current and resistance, then you can calculate the voltage by using this formula. Or if you know the voltage V and current I, then you can calculate the resistance R is equal to V upon I. So if you take the ratio of the voltage V and the current I, then you can determine the resistance of the circuit. So these are the three different forms of Ohm's law. So in the first form, we say I is equal to V upon R. In the second form, we say V is equal to I into R. And in the third form, we say R is equal to V upon I. So all of these equations are very useful, and these are the basic equations. And these equations are frequently needed whenever we go for the study of the circuit in electronics. So this law is one of the basic law of electronics.